body wash. It's when you bend a bitch over.
Oh, see,
The trans.
people, remember, tell us the live, you have to do this. Should I describe it? I can hear what is going on.
You best believe Joe Grind gon' wife me.
Somebody put the live ask what is body wash. It's when you bend a bitch over and you.
What on, but it a song. This is my voice. This is.
So the question of the day is to me, would you date a guy who does not go down, who doesn't eat a coochie?
What's good to Mr. Boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, and I'm back in full with another reaction for you guys. Now you guys been spamming this song from last night. I think it dropped late last night or early this morning. I'm not sure because I didn't really sleep last night. And I'm kind of mad right now, you understand me? I did a video yesterday, the alkaline way up reaction. The video got I've been trying to edit this video all day, reposting it, and it's getting block. So you know what? I'm gonna do this because you guys been recommending this one. So like up this video, understand me? Comment on this video to see you're commenting next video that I post, and I post every single day, regardless of the situation, and regardless of how late it's gonna be. I'm still gonna post a video to entertain y'all. So just subscribe to both channels. Cause I'm still trying to upload a video on my channel too. I haven't made a video for that channel yet. But I'm gonna post a video today. It's Vlogmas over there. Go watch the vlogs. We speaking standard English over there. You know, this was happening for this. So Pretty Savage, Queen Anonymous. You understand me? I don't know what them say. This is a reply to Drew Toxic. And I don't see Senorita Latoya posting anything on her Instagram, so this is not her. You understand me? So let's see what's going on for this song. You understand? Let's see. Let's go. This song is recorded and mastered by Richard, by artists who prefer to be anonymous, hence the artist name Queen Anonymous. Okay, gotcha.
You don't bed. You don't bed for 3 fucking days a day. There you're washing your cock by the sink. You don't like to bed. Rich production.
Get off my screen. Get off my screen. I wanted to see the dog's reaction to the don't bait thing, and that's what I paused it on.
You don't bed for 3 fucking days a day. There you're washing your cock by the sink. You don't like to bed. Rich production.
Can't shoot no gun without lead. Boy, you know your cocky dead. Boy, you know your cocky dead. You're my pretty, I'm a toxic.
Oh my gosh. Like I can't focus. So I'm trying to listen to the song, but what I've seen on the screen that just takes everyone's attention off the lyrics. But he's saying they can't bust no gun without no lead. What? Let me see what.
Rich production.
Let's black out the video.
Can't shoot no gun without lead.
Can't shoot no gun
Boy, you know your cocky dead. Boy, you know your cocky dead. You're my pretty, I'm a toxic. Look, boys can't handle a bad chick, and your mouth too stink, can't stand it.
The boy can't handle no what?
Boy, you know your cocky dead. You're my pretty, I'm a toxic. Look, boys can't handle a bad chick, and your mouth too stink, can't stand it. Go wash it in the sink where your dick been. You're my pretty, I'm a.
So go wash your dick in the sink where your dick been. You know about that. But why am I? Every time I pause this video, I'm gonna look at this damn cover work. Why you guys had to do this? Like, so what is this signifying? Is there a pipe in his mouth? Is he spitting it? This world is very toxic. There we go.
Savage, real man can handle a bad bitch. Right. Yeah, your mouth too stink, can't stand it. Ooh. That boy a lick batty cause he cock sick. You see me now, you're hiding now.
Remember that? Why you had to put this? Why you had to? Cause at the end of my reaction video, I say, yo, the live was late, man. On the live, someone asked what was batty wash my gun by, and this is what I'm looking at right here, right now on this screen while I'm doing this reaction. But she said your thing dead or your thing can't work. That's why you did. Oh Lord, oh Lord.
Looking. You didn't talking shit when you're stuck in your mouth full and cock the sore. Yeah, you missed the cat, can't get no more now. Yeah, you're talking dirt. Boy, I talk shit cause some feelings hurt. Me a bad bitch, I'ma know my worth. Real pussy boy get kicked to the curb.
Ooh, but I will get the left. Yeah, that's what I say. But it's nice if a she, if that time she come sing the song, you know, people, it's hot, you know, it's nice, you know, because she know the story, you understand me? But like when the person experience the thing, come sing the song, so that time we still want the song from you. But you are talking right so, you know, you know, if you I hope not even that tired, you know, because it's person never want person never want nobody know who. But go on, I'm not even chat to.
Yeah, my pretty, I'm a toxic. Look, boys can't handle a bad chick, and your mouth too stink, can't stand it. Go wash it in the sink where your dick been. Yeah, my pretty, I'm a savage. Real man can't handle a bad bitch. Yeah, your mouth too stink, can't stand it. That boy a lick body cause he cock-sick. Quickly call out me, go and take time, go answer Benz. You're whining and crying.
They did answer Benzie, didn't they? Of course they did answer Benzie, did they? They did answer Benzie. It's nice when you know a little bit of story. Because I remember when I was writing to Egg Ball and everything. My first ever, like, you know, I didn't know what was going on. It's like, I live in Guyana right now. It's like I'm from Guyana. Like I live in Guyana. I understand everything that's going on in that little teeny bit of way though. But alright, let's go.
About a baby, my youth. Pussy like body cause he cock-sick. Quickly call out me, go and take time, go answer Benz. You're whining and crying about a baby, my youth. Pussy and pussy can never make a belly.
My youth, no matter how you drink roots, mouth water no breed girl a cocky juice.
They draw for the cartel. Mouth water don't breed girl my youth a cocky juice. They draw for the cartel.
Make your foot dead, no love it don't.
So go and go home, cry to your mama. Bad bitch, not deal with no drama. No disrespect. Y'all try with a boy, him just get left. Yeah, me pretty, I'm a toxic. Little boys can't handle.
You see now, that's a more time come tell the story, you know, because I Joe sang, say, girl take left, don't fight it. You understand me? Now she say I talk about boy take left. So who left who? You know, this is not that time. Me mindset, the fella she must put her name out there for no say you and you because this sound like something you that say. You know the story, you experience the story. You understand? More you make the song be. More you make the song be. Make the song be. Make the song make the place nice be. Yeah. Right through door.
The bad chick and your mouth too stink, can't stand it. Go wash it in the sink where your dick been. Yeah, me pretty, I'm a savage. Real man can't handle a bad bitch. Yeah, your mouth too stink, can't stand it. That boy a lick body cause he cock-sick. Once you were my world, now me change you cause your tongue lost word. Dead cocky boy, that dick never worked. Good pussy gal, feelings can't hurt. Yo, don't style me. Was always Joe grind, had to whine me. Was always Joe grind.
I hope Joe Grind gonna mind me. I hope Joe Grind gonna grind she. I hope Joe Grind gonna mind me. In Joe songs and I quote, you know, Joe said this in a theme song, you know. Cause remember, you know, in her life to other people, apparently, you know, she said she and Joe Grind did there for such and such months, you know. And within such and such months, she was actually in a relationship with such man, you know. And I stop calling people name, you know, because I don't want to get in any trouble, you know. And I stop calling people name. I strongly apologize. I'm just entertaining my viewers. You all know Tyrekevlogs go the reaction boss. We know all about nothing, so I go call no name. You understand what I'm saying? But I know Joe Guy name, so I call Joe Guy and Trinidad, man. Alright. So, on the live, apparently she was with Trinidad man when she was with Drew. You understand me? Don't chat. And in the song, you know, I don't know if I use this. But in the song, she said, that's why Joe Grind did that grind shit. Hey, go on.
At a mind we, how the F you think I get the transcript? You best believe Joe Grind gon' wife me.
See, I hope Joe Grind go wife she and Drew said the name song too, you know. But hold on. Oh, you hell think she get the chance here? You think she get the what kind of car she had? Benz or Mercedes Benz or is that BMW? No, it's a Benz. The girl said she buy a car herself. The girl have her own money. So see, that's how we know saying she this. You understand me? I say, yeah. I know I tell like an independent girl, I'm not gonna lie to no. Go on. You know me talk all about trash just for entertaining you know. I'm not talk trash. I say she that she like an independent girl that she work for. I think. You understand me? I believe everything what she said about working towards her thing them. You understand? When it come to the relationship drama, I just say entertain the viewers them. Me know nothing what go on. Don't get it twisted. But go on.
What is body wash? It's when you bend a bitch over.
Oh,
and
see,
you lick
The trans-
people, remember I tell you something live. You have to do. She describe it. I can hear what is going on.
You best believe Joe Grind gon' wife me.
Somebody put it ask what is body wash. It's when you bend a bitch over and you.
Hold on, but it a song. This is my voice. This is. Yo, bro, you busy, bro? Bro, I did a reaction video, right, bro? And in the song, in the reaction video, I said something, bro. And in this reply to the diss track, bro, I heard my voice in the shit, bro. My voice is in a song, bro. That my voice is in a song, bro.
You best believe Joe Grind gon'
Listen.
wife me.
Somebody put it ask what is body wash.
That's
It's when you
me.
bend a bitch over.
No, you heard what I said though. Somebody put a left. That's my voice.
You need to copyright your voice.
Damn, bro. No, bro. Shut up, bro. Damn, bro. What the hell? What? Shall I explain the body wash, people?
And you lick the butt crack from the top, straight down,
Yeah.
all the way to the front.
Yeah.
And then you take your tongue and you stick it in the asshole, and then you wiggle it up and down, round, like you clean it inside the butthole. That's the butthole.
Yo, people, get this video to 1 million views, 1 million likes, 1 million likes on this video right now. 1 million likes on this video right now, people. 1 million likes. Peace out.